Hey you guys, just walking through. This is actually my first day walking through. I walked through about 5 minutes ago just to get an idea of the place. This is another Glen Iris house. It's down the street literally from our other Glen Iris house. If you don't remember, it was 411 21st Avenue South. So this is really close. This house is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. So we're gonna have to convert it and make it 2 bathrooms. Right now I'm kind of trying to figure out exactly where I want the bathroom to be. I'm thinking that we should put it right here in this closet. I think once we gut this out, it'll be enough room for a bathroom because it goes pretty deep. So that's kind of my thoughts as far as the bathroom and making that work. This house actually right here has crown molding, so we'll probably give it a little bit more molding just to make it, just to jazz it up a bit. Remove the flooring, we'll have new flooring, spice up the fireplace, the mantle, get that to being cute again, paint the walls, remove this ugly thing here, because the windows are actually pretty cute. So, we'll bring some life back in here. It's really gorgeous. Have a couple of roof issues right there. Alright, so upstairs, this is where you have your major issues in this room. As you can see, Antonio's sitting here contemplating, wondering what the heck he's about to do, because this is your issue. Pretty, right? Yeah. This is 1 bedroom that we're gonna spice up, make it look gorgeous. Alright, this is bedroom 2. Ooh, I just had a spider web. Alright, so I'm just gonna walk right here because the spider webs are really killing me right now. But this is bedroom 2, probably be good for like a nursery setup. Just because the ceiling isn't flat all the way through, but you know, I think it's gonna be really cute. The ceiling actually gives it a lot of design. Here is the bathroom, which we're going to convert into a master bathroom going into the room over there. Master bath, close it off so that only the master bedroom can have access to it. You got to remove this wallpaper here. We'll open up the entry right here for the bathroom. Alright, so now we're here in the dining room. We're going to open it up so that it flows into the kitchen. This house is kind of similar to our Hoover flip, where they use every nook and cranny as space and did a good job as far as picking out the space and where things are going to be aligned. So we won't have to do too much. The kitchen's going to be completely good. Completely good. So, yeah, I don't know what's going to stay in here. But here's the kitchen for now. This is the extra sitting room. We'll do something with it where it's not really your sitting room, but the laundry room is actually right past it along with the AC unit. Partial. We're gonna have to get started on this as soon as possible so that we can make our deadline and meet our budget. So that's it for today. Have a lot of things that I have to do. Just wanted to check in with you guys and tell you what our plans are on this house, and hopefully I can check in quite often and tell you our plans on all the houses. See you later. Stay tuned.